Good day, everybody. I greet you in the name of Jesus Christ. And today the Lord speaks to us out of Matthew 5, verse 14 to 16. It says, "You are the light of the world, a city set on a hill, and it cannot be hidden. Nor do people light a lamp and put it under a basket, but on a stand, and it gives light to all in the house. In the same way, let your light shine before others, so that they may see your good works and give glory to your Father who is in heaven." This morning we went for a walk, and it was when the sun came up and this beautiful light. And if you look at creation, the trees, the vegetation, the grass, everything, it came alive because of light. Because in the Hebrew, light means life, lightning. So it gives life. And where the Lord comes to us today and said, we need to be the light so that people can recognize others. Remember when you got saved, born from above, you became the perfect light of Jesus Christ here on earth. And you've got the ability to function out of creative light. It is new. So what do? Your light that you are shining are busy creating. And when we truly have the heart of the Father and love, we walk with a vision, with a purpose to give everything that needs life, resurrection. That is when we look at people from a different viewpoint, from a different way, at the ones that are unsaved ones, the rebellious ones, the ones in different religions, the ones that don't know God, that got no hope, no faith. We walk in there and we release the resurrecting power of God into them. That you've got a passion and a burning for them to recognize the light, the life that was given by the Father to all of us. And this is a thing that we need to walk on. You've got power, you've got authority, because the light, the life, the resurrection of Jesus Christ is way above the circumstances of the world. But we need to walk intentionally with the desire and the passion to bring this resurrection, this light into the people. So we need to change everything and every person, bringing them out of the darkness into the perfect light, the peace, the joy, the rest, the victory of Jesus Christ. I bless you with that.